We have special news on SpaceX's latest launch of 22 Starlink satellites from Cape Canaveral. SpaceX, the company founded by billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk, has been making headlines with its ambitious plans to provide high-speed internet access to anyone, anywhere, using a constellation of thousands of satellites orbiting the Earth. On Thursday morning, SpaceX launched its 70th Falcon 9 rocket and 44th Starlink delivery mission of the year, despite challenging weather conditions at the launch site. The Falcon 9 rocket lifted off from Space Launch Complex 40 at 1:36 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, carrying 22 second-generation Starlink satellites. These satellites are equipped with 4 times more capacity than the previous version and can deliver faster and more reliable internet service to customers across the entire U.S. SpaceX said it now has more than 2 million subscribers in more than 60 countries. The launch was not without drama, as SpaceX had to delay the liftoff 4 times due to high winds and rain showers. The U.S. Space Force's 45th Weather Squadron had given a 50-50 chance of favorable weather conditions, but SpaceX managed to thread the needle and find a window of opportunity to launch. The first stage booster of the Falcon 9 rocket, which was making its 8th flight, separated from the second stage about 2.5 minutes into flight and landed on a drone ship named Just Read the Instructions in the Atlantic Ocean. The booster had previously flown on several missions, including a cargo delivery to the International Space Station, a OneWeb satellite launch, an Intelsat satellite launch, and 4 Starlink missions. Its most recent flight was on September 9, 2023, making this the 4th fastest turnaround for a Falcon 9 booster between flights. The second stage of the rocket performed 2 burns to place the satellites into a low Earth orbit inclined at 43 degrees to the equator. The satellite stack separated from the second stage just over an hour after liftoff, completing the successful mission. With this launch, SpaceX has deployed a total of 5,200 Starlink satellites since 2019, of which 4,842 are still in orbit. SpaceX is the largest operator of satellites in the world and aims to eventually launch tens of thousands of Starlink satellites to provide global internet coverage. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.